Today I will be presenting nonmetals, and this is syllabus unit 4, number 7. So some basics to nonmetals. They are groups 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. It's the top right corner of the periodic table, but then also exclusively hydrogen in group 1, which is shown all the way on the top left side of the periodic table. Now, nonmetals are not good conductors of heat or electricity, and they're generally very brittle, which means they're not ductile or malleable. They exist in the gas, solid, and liquid state at room temperature. They are not lustrous and do not reflect light, which means it gives them a dull appearance. They have oxidation numbers plus or minus 4 in groups 4A, minus 3 in group 5A, minus 2 in group 6A, minus 1 in group 7A, and 0 in group 8A. Then also including hydrogen, you have a plus 1 oxidation number. So here are some common non-metal elements that I put in. First, we have hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1. It is colorless and odorless. It is in group 1A, which is group 1, and it has an oxidation number of plus 1. Its room temperature state is gas. Its melting point is negative 259.1 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is negative 252.9 degrees Celsius. Just some extra information. It is the most abundant element in the universe and is highly flammable, used for fuel cells and producing ammonia for fertilizers. It is also partially makes up water. Next up, we have helium. Helium's atomic number is 2. It is also colorless and odorless. It is in group 18, which makes it a noble gas, or known as group 8A. Its oxidation number is 0, and its room temperature state is gas. It has no recorded melting point, and its boiling point is negative 269 degrees Celsius. It is the second lightest and second most abundant element in the universe, and it is used for balloons and airships. Helium is a noble gas, which makes it very stable and very unreactive, unlike some other nonmetals we'll be getting into. The next nonmetal is carbon. Its atomic number is 6. It has several different allotropes, which means like different states, so it can have different colorations. It is in group 14, which is 4A. It has an oxidation number of plus or minus 4. Its room temperature state is a solid. Its melting point is 3,642 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 3,642 degrees Celsius. And short description is it is the fourth most abundant element in the universe. Carbon is essential for life and for fuels and plastics, and this forms long carbon chains, which is important in compounds. Next up, we have nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7. It is colorless, and it is located in group 15 or 5A on the periodic table. Its oxidation number is minus 3. At room temperature state, it is a gas. Its melting point is negative 210.1 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is negative 195.8 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen makes up most of the Earth's atmosphere, I believe 78%, and it is essential for all living things, and its key component in amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Now we have oxygen. Its atomic number is 8. It is colorless and odorless. It is located in group 16 or 6A. Its oxidation number is minus 2, and at room temperature its state is gas. Its melting point is negative 218 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is negative 183 degrees Celsius. It is a highly reactive gas and the third most abundant in the universe. It is essential for life as it is needed for cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Next, we have phosphorus. Its atomic number is 15. It also has several allotropes, such as carbon. It is group 15, 5A. Its oxidation number is -3. At room temperature state, it is a solid. Its melting point is 44.15 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 280.5 degrees Celsius. It is a highly reactive element that plays a big role in forming DNA, RNA, and ATP. It is also used in matches to produce the flame. Now, sulfur, its atomic number is 16. It is commonly yellow. It is also in group 16 or 6A. Its oxidation number is -2. Its room temperature state is a solid. Its melting point is 115.21 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 444.72 degrees Celsius. It has a very distinctive odor that is found in volcanic emissions and is mainly used for sulfuric acid as it is very reactive. Next, we have chlorine. It is atomic number of 17. Its color is a greenish yellow. It is in group 17 or 7A. Its oxidation number is -1. And at room temperature, it is gas. Its melting point is negative 101.5 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is negative 4.04 degrees Celsius. It is highly reactive and has a strong odor. It is used for purification of water, which you commonly will see in pools or hot tubs. It is also used in manufacturing products like plastics. The final element we'll be getting into as a nonmetal is bromine. Its atomic number is 35. It generally has a reddish brown color. It is in group 17 or 7A. Its oxidation number is -1. Its room temperature state is a liquid, which is different than most other nonmetals. Its melting point is -7.35 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 58.9 degrees Celsius. Bromine has a strong odor and is used in flame retardants and producing dye. Bromine is also very corrosive and toxic. Next, we have some trends in nonmetals for electron affinity, reactivity, and electronegativity. The first one on the top left is showing electron affinity, and electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to a neutral atom to form its anion, and it generally increases going to the right and also increases going up. To the top right picture, it shows reactivity, and reactivity is just how easily a substance or element reacts chemically with other substance or elements. And it generally increases going to the right and it increases going up. Now, the bottom one picture is showing the electronegativity, and generally it increases going to the right and also increases going up. And electronegativity is describing the tendency of an atom or a functional group to attract electrons toward itself. And that is all I have for nonmetals.